If you're worried about or dealing with rhinitis, allergies, nasal congestions and infections, or snotting and runny nose, DeepCozy can help you to clean out mucus, allergies, dust, and germs. DeepCozy Allergic Nasal Irrigation System is a natural and drug-free way to help you to clean and moisturize the nasal passages by flushing the saline water through hard, rich area. Now, let's check out what's included at first. Well, you have received in your box, it is the base unit, along with the long turbine, 2 sets of nozzles and nozzle sprays. They are made by medical grade, silicone, and those are soft and flexible. You also will have 30 packages nasal rinse mix, cleaning kit, a charger, a cable, and a travel bag. What's more? We have quick start guidelines, and we have the user menu.
Now, let's see what these buttons do.
Power on, but the machine won't run. And we need to move on the second button. Momentary button. Just long press to start, and then keep holding it down until you're ready. When you want to pause, let's just go to off the button. This button helps you to take break when you are in an uncomfortable situation. Suctions power up or down. There are 4 different suctions levels to choose from, not just one fixed setting. This means you can pick up the level that feels comfortable, and you can adjust it anytime while you're using it. Also, cleaning button. Make sure to use it when you're cleaning the device. Use one hand to hold the protruding part and pull it on the machine's handle to detach it from the water tank. Next, open the saline packet and pour it into the water tank. Fill clean water on a clean water tank, such as distilled water, purified water, or cold boiled tap water. For your safety, avoid using regular tap water, spring water, or any contaminated water. Alright, let's move to the next step. We need to put the base unit back together. Just press it down little until you hear the clock sound.
After that, connect it to the long tubing with the nozzle brace to the base unit.
You can see the clear side is for outlet, and the color side is for the inlet. You can also check the arrows at the nozzle's color on the nozzle's branch to make sure you've got it right. White nozzle should be on the left, and the brown one should be on the right. Now, let me show you how easy to use it. Before that, please sit down or keep standing. Don't lie down. Place the nozzle against your nasal passage. Don't panic, just relax. Turn on the power, then long press the momentary button to start, and then keep holding it. During the cycle, make sure to keep your mouth open, and you just need to breathe naturally through your mouth. If you keep your mouth closed or hold your breath, you might experience leaks, backflow, blocked passages, or even a headache. If you feel the water pressure pushing on your nose too hard, you can adjust your breathing speed to feel more control. When the water on clean water tank is empty, the cycle is done. Gently blow your nose to remove the salt water and relieve the pressure from the eardrums. Make sure to clean the product every time used. It can help you to avoid the bacteria to stinking around. You can check our cleaning instruction video to know how to clean it. I hope this video helps you well. If you have any questions, our customer service team can also help you online. Let's breathe easier with DeepCozy.